Hi there, it's Michelle from CNC Designs. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in New Zealand, and I just wanted to show you what I have on offer for the Best Dressed Mailbag Make. So for this Mailbag Make, you'll get everything you need to make two of these cute, adorable little booklets. Included in your pack, you'll have the cardstock already cut and scored for the front and back of your booklet. You'll get a piece of ribbon, a buckle, some already die cut pieces that you can stamp on to put sentiments onto your booklet. You will get 6, that's 3 of each different colored cards, so 2 of the yellow and then the peach and the purple. And then you'll have 6 envelopes, so 2 again of each color, mini envelopes. And then you will have 12 pre-cut pieces of the Best Dressed Designer Series paper. So it's double-sided, so you'll have, you can mix and match however you'd like when you make your project. So we've got florals and then some different colored, solid colors on the back, as well as the other pieces are nice line art, colored line art, makeup, perfume, shoes, purses, etc., and then some interesting florals and designs on the back. So when you make your kit up, you can choose which of those you'd like to use. If you'd like to order this Mailbag Make, you just need to email me at mmcritchley@gmail.com with your address that you want it to be sent to, and then I'll send you my bank details to deposit. $10. So it's $10 for this. You'll make 2 of these little booklets. Yours will not have stamped images on them because it does not include stamps or ink, but you can use whatever you have on hand to do it. Or if you'd like, you can purchase the Dress to Impress stamp set, which is what I used for one of the samples. This stamp set is only $38 New Zealand. So if you live here in New Zealand and you want to purchase that, you can contact me at the email, or you can go to my website to order it to be sent directly to you. There are a set of matching dies for this as well. If you want to purchase those, you can as well. The dies cut out some of the images, and the die set is called All Dressed Up Dies, and the price for the dies is $74 for all those dies. If you don't have a die cutting machine, then the stamps are sufficient because you can cut them out. However, this Mailbag Make comes with everything to make up the 2 items without having to stamp anything. So you can die cut the images that are on the papers. So you get more than enough papers to do the 2 packs. So if you want, you can choose some of those images and simply fussy cut them out. So then you can have different images to use to make your little booklets. So you can do this with or without stamping. In the instructional video that you will get, which is included with in the $10 price with your kit, I will show you how to make 2 of them up without using stamps. So you'll have more than enough of the Designer Series paper. Hello, I'm back now. My phone went at the end of that video, so I'm going to show you the inside, how I decorated these booklets. You get enough materials to go crazy on the decoration, or have them left over to make other little cards if you want. So this is what I show you how to make in the video, instructional video. So you've got the front and the back with the Designer Series paper, and it doesn't come with stamps or ink, so you can put your own message on the front. I stamped that straight from the Dress to Impress stamp set. So I'll just set this over here so you can see what stamps are in there if you choose to add this on to your order. But it does not come with the stamps. So this one opens up with a ribbon, and then you've got, that's die cut from some of the Designer Series paper, and the little envelopes and the cards. and then another die cut image there. So you can stamp or write whatever you want here. You could put photos in there. There's even space in the envelope. They're not glued shut, so you could slip something in there if you'd like. And then another one with some die cut flowers from the designer series paper just over that envelope there. This one I put one of the extra sheets of designer series paper on that side, so that covered it up completely. You could again stamp or write what you want, and then you could have that as a little pocket there. Again, I fussy cut some of the images out of the designer series paper, so you can see it's quite pretty paper, lots to choose from there. And then you could put a picture there, or again a little pocket if you'd like to put some little notes in there. And then the final part with the envelope stuck to the back of the page, and again I just put a little cutout from the designer series paper. So that's all designer series paper except for the stamp part on the front. So you can use your own stamp or use a pen and write what you want on there. You do get the die cuts here, so you can decorate that. The other one I show you how to make closes with a buckle. So again, you can use either side of this paper, and this has got the buckle going all the way across, and so you just simply slide it open. The Hello Fabulous was stamped on there from the Dress to Impress stamp set, so it does not come with those words on there, but you can add whatever wording you want. Inside, again, I just fussy cut some of the images from designer series paper. You will have one of these die cut shapes in with your kit, and then I am going to include some bling, some pearls, and some rhinestones in the kit as well, so you can just add those wherever you'd like. So this one I put some words onto the shape, and again fussy cut the flowers. That one I stamped, and that's fussy cut from one of the pieces of a DSP. So you can have that image, but for the writing you would have to use your own stamps or handwrite it. And this one I just used an extra piece of designer series paper. The paper will already be cut in the 3x3 inch squares, so they can be used right on the card, or you can cut them into smaller pieces. And then some makeup there. Again, you can put whatever you want in the pocket there, or you could glue something on top of it, stamp it if you'd like, use it as a journal. And there I've just layered up some of the flowers that I fussy cut, and one of the shoes I fussy cut there. So those two that I've just shown you, you can create, except for the stamped part, you can create with everything that you receive. You will need to use your own adhesives, so you will need glue and or double-sided tape, and you might want to use a few dimensionals. However, if you use dimensionals in it, it makes it a bit bulky, so that's you'd have to watch out for the belt. That might be difficult, but this can tie easily if you've got too many dimensionals in there. But as you can see, there's some jewels there, and I think I put some pearls on the shoes. And this was my original one, which I did stamp in, so if you like the look of the stamped images, this is you would want to order the stamp set as well. So I'll just show you this one. And so the inside, I've got the fussy cut perfume, but these are stamped images. And again, the perfume. This is a stamped image that was die cut and then placed on top of that card. These were stamped images and die cut, and then I added the pearl. I stamped the paper to give it the effect of the shoe, and then just some more flowers die cut and popped up. Stamped a few images in the background there, and the words were stamped. And this one, the lipstick was stamped and die cut, colored in with blends, and these two bits are from the designer series paper. And then the flowers are popped up, that's cut from the designer series paper. And that flower, as you can see, it's stamped, and it's stamped in the petal pink ink, so it matches perfectly with the paper, with the envelope. Alright, so if you'd like to make these projects, just email me at mmcritchley@gmail.com. As I said earlier, this kit is $10. What you get in the kit is enough materials and a link to an instructional video to make these two little booklets. So one closes with ribbon and one closes with a belt. But you get everything you need to make those, or you can change it up and do your own thing with the materials that you receive. So thanks for watching, and I look forward to sending you out a Mailbag Make. If you like that, make sure you join my email list so you'll know about upcoming classes and more projects that I make for the mail. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.